So now we are going to use our own cert, or use our own cert that we have created from the task 1 to task 3. Alright. So to do this part, alright, actually follow the task4.txt file that I have created. We will copy the server.crt and server.key file right, to the module folders so that in the container we can see these two files. I just use the UI to copy. In my lab 7 folder, I will copy the server.crt and the server.key, right, just copy that to the volume folder so that if I go to the container, so this is my container. I can actually see the server.crt and the server.key there. Then I add one line in the etc host file because I'm using ping 2025 and you may be using your own. Again, you can actually ignore the rest of the line, but this is the okay. Let me change that to 80. But just look at this line. Alright, 10.90.80, because this is the IP address of your Docker container, which actually holds the web server, the Apache. So you will do this part. Then after that, this is actually done in the VM. After that, you move to the container. You copy the bank32s, or you cd to the particular folder first. Right, go to container, cd to the folder. Right, copy recursively, so use a dash R. So I didn't put a dash R. Okay, I think no dash R also can, but possibly you want to put a dash R. Right, ls, you have another folder now, right? This is the K 225. Then after that, we are going to nano this new file. Right? We're going to change it. So the document root, I'm going to change. Server name. Server alias. Remove one line. Then the SSL cert file, alright, I will need to create as the server.crt and the server.key. Okay, basically just change this part to what you have. This one, again, it's actually port 443. The port 80 part actually you don't have to care, but if you want, you also change it. This is actually more for consistency, right? More for consistency. Okay. Right, I'm actually doing the second part, the task force. I'll try using our own certs I created. So you look at the TXT files that will actually help you. So I have already done the part in the VM. So I'm actually doing the part in the containers halfway. So I have actually nano the file. But basically, I actually follow the TXT file, the same thing. Copies. Right, in the VM, basically you just need to do two things: copy the server CRP and server key to the body so that you can see in the container. Then add one more line in the ETC host file. Basically just two tasks. In container, we copy the folder, alright, to your names, alright, or I use mine King2025. Then I nano this file, and I change everything accordingly. So I'm actually doing like exactly the same as the taskforce.txt file. Control X, Y to save the file. So this part is actually the same, right? ls, cp commands, nano. So this one is just the output. After that, I will want to copy the folders. So I go to var www. Why var www? Is because the document root as var www is here in the config file. This is the document root. So inside this file, at the moment I have a bank 32, but I don't have a King2025, so I'm going to copy it. Right, again I'm following the TXT file on this part on the CP. After that, it should be there. Then I CD it. Okay, then I just nano the text file. I just change it. I just change hello world to hello lab 7. Just to see that it's actually different. Again, this sounds so good. Save it. After that, what I need to do, I need to copy the server certificate and the key to this folder called certs, right? To this folder called certs. So I CD to body. Right, I can actually just copy the server onto the start instead of copy 2 times. Then I CD to the cert. I don't think the change mode is necessary. But let me just try to change mode and see what happens. I don't think this is necessary because we have already done that. But we need to run this part, or I need to run this part. Alright, here in the part 2 of the task form using our own cert. Basically, most of the things are actually following the .txt file. So ls. Okay, to activate the new configurations, I need to reload Apache 2. Then I need to start it. So I've actually basically done the start. I skip certain things like the A2 EN mode SSL, which we have already done it before, and so some of the commands may not be necessary. But when you run it again, it doesn't matter also. So I'm going to leave all these commands here. After that, I will go back to the VM and I will browse my website, right? The King 2025, for your case is your own. I will see a potential security read. If I click the advanced, I will see that there's a particular error in here. Okay, the unknown issue. If I click on the log symbol and look at the search more info, I have www.king2025.com. Then issue name is the common name is www.lab7ca.com. So if we go to a website and the particular website, alright, says the search is actually issued by a CA that is not recognized by our browser, it will give us this error. What is the error again? Unknown issuer. That means something like unknown CA. So in what cases it will happen? Sometimes, like example in a school environment, sometimes we let the students, the school may create some own server, right? And let the students, like example, like remote in or things like that, then the cert may not be recognized by the your browsers or your OS. Then this will happen. So this error is correct. So what do? We will import our CA cert that we have actually created in the previous few tabs. So in Firefox, right, again we come to here, then we go to view certificate. We do the same thing, but now we import the CA, our own CA. Under view certificates, authority, go to import. Okay, import the ca.crt that we have created in the previous task. Remember to trust them. Okay. Once this is done, go back to Firefox. Come back to here. alright, refresh it, you'll see something like this. When you look at the cert, alright, when you look at the cert, so now this is our browser didn't give us an error. If you look at the cert, come here, more info, view cert. You will see that for my case I have King 2025. Then the issue name is Lab, the Lab 7 C8, the common name. Then when I actually click on the Lab 7 C8, right, this is here, Gravity. Okay, the state I put is Gravity. Organization is Lab 7. Can I see here? Okay, it's actually called Lab 7. So you see, this is the lab that I've actually imported. This one is the one that I imported, called Lab 7. Well, of course, if the attacker actually successfully do something like this, inject into the browser, you not call it Lab 7. Because Lab 7 is very strange. You see something like this in your root CA, you know something is wrong. They'll probably use some kind of name like DECert and some other things. Okay, so this is task 4, so task 4 done. Alright, if you miss out any of the steps, you look at the TXT files. So you look at the TXT file, you follow the TXT files. Some of the steps are actually redundant, but it doesn't matter with it just tell you that things like SSL module already activated. The change mode commands, I think, is not necessary. The whole idea for this lab is you can use the Firefox to browse your own website. Like, there's actually no this website on the internet. Or I would think so. Yeah, there's no such website. So it's actually my own inside my virtual machine. So how to let my browser stop that this is the legitimate website? So that's actually the whole idea. So you import the CA cert that you have signed, then you use the CA cert to sign the server cert, then you attach this server cert to the Apache web server, and you use the etc host file to redirect it to your containers Apache web server. So then you will see this. So let me stop a while, then we'll move on to the next task.